Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to increase transaction limit in Google Pay. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because it helps me out. So let's get started. So first thing to do is to check your current transaction limit. So Google Pay follow your bank's UPI limit, which is usually the 1 lakh per day, varies by bank, and also a maximum of 10 transactions per day. And also your debit and credit card or bank's account may have its own limit as well. So now, to increase your API limit for your bank, since Google Pay follows your bank's API limit, you need to request a higher limit. So to do that, you have to log into your bank mobile app or net banking, then go to UPI settings, then click on modify transaction limit, then set a higher limit if allowed. And also some banks may require 24 hours waiting period for change to take effective. Then also you can also add another bank account. So if you hit your daily limit, add another bank account in Google Pay. So to do that, open your Google Pay, then tap on profile, then click on payment method, then simply select add another bank and follow the setup. And that's how you can simply increase your transaction limit in Google Pay. Follow the video up, turn on the notification button and follow for more.